I was not expecting this. Rub, rub, rub. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we're going to be unboxing the Pretty Vulgar mystery box. This puppy was $55. They do have it still on sale. I will leave it down below. It is right on the Pretty Vulgar sites. So $55, and it's guaranteed to get at least $138 worth of value. So if you want to see, did we get that? Is it worth the $55? And what is in here? Then keep on watching. Alright, so I got this earlier in the month. A bunch of you guys have tagged me, and a few of you guys even told me in my comment section. I'm like, Pretty Vulgar has a mystery box? You guys know I love me some mystery boxes. So I definitely got it. So it was $55. So let's just see if it's worth it. Alright, so when you open it up, that's what she looks like. You have that. Not too much. Alright. So I'm not sure if everybody got the same thing or what. Of course, it doesn't come with a card. It's not like, what the heck? Let me try that again. It doesn't come with a card. It's not like our subscription box. It's a mystery box. So I'm just going to, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I was going to say products, but items came out. All right, so the first thing is this Shimmering Swan highlighter. Now, I have tried their highlighters before, and I really do like their highlighters. I do not have this one. This is in Lilac Lust, and it is in 128, the shade. So let's see what she looks like. All right, comes in the classic Pretty Vulgar packaging. I love their bronzer, I love their blush, and I like their highlighters. But like I said, I don't have this one. So this is like a purpley color. So I don't know if everybody got this highlighter and maybe different shades. I don't know. Ooh, feels good. All right, let's swatch. This is gorgeous. And this is what it looks like right here. So it's not as deep as what it looks like. Now, I did go in a few times just so you can see the color, but it's very, very pretty. It's not glittery. It's like that sheen that I love. All right, so I'm really excited to get this. The next thing is this, I'm going to say Pretty Vulgar, but of course everything's from Pretty Vulgar. This is Detox and Chill. Yes, yes, yes. All right, what is this? This is Water Foundation Primer, a Lava Water Foundation Primer. I have no idea what that puppy is. Let's see. Oh, I was not expecting this. It's like gray, like a charcoal color. The packaging is just absolutely beautiful. That's what I love about Pretty Vulgar. They're very unique in their packaging. So it has a little pump. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And as you rub it, it, you know, goes in with your skin. I put a lot on. Rub, rub, rub. Okay, yeah, so it goes right in your skin. All right, I'm excited to read up about it. Let's see what it says. So it says, reap the many benefits of our Detox and Chill Lava Water Foundation Primer by applying this unique charcoal formula on your skin and watch the color transform into a sheer veil of color's perfection as it's absorbed. And it's very true. As you rubbed it in, it turned like a pinkish purple, and then it went clear. Very, very pretty. Kind of like lava. It says, this exotic primer will not only increase the wear time of your makeup, but it will provide you with smooth, supple, and hydrated skin with this gel-like texture and transform into a cooling burst of antioxidant-rich water beads. Alright, so it's more, but I don't want to keep you there all day, what it says. But I'm definitely excited to try this. I will definitely try that tomorrow when I put my makeup on. Alright, the next thing we got is this Poisonous Pal. Okay, that's funny. And this is in the shade 59. And there we go. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Let's do a swatchy swatch. So just a doe foot applicator. This is like a lip gloss right here. Very, very pretty. All right, I'm excited for this too. This is a plumping lip gloss. All right, okie dokie. So I'm happy to get that. Two more things. The next thing is it's called the Feathers. Oh, this is a mascara. And guys, wait, it's in the shade 19, so I'm assuming black. Wait till I show you the packaging on this. I haven't tried it, but I've seen the packaging on their site. Oh my God, look at the little bird. It's like a bird cage. How beautiful. This is so pretty. Like when you're done with the mascara, you could put it on your shelf. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. And I don't usually show the wands because I have so many, but I'm definitely going to try this out. So we have that one like that. I'm always smelling mascara. I don't know why. It smells like mascara. God, that's so beautiful. So beautiful. All right, so we have that. And last but not least is this On Point Liquid Eyeliner. Now, what shade is it? 26, so I'm assuming that's black too. Now, you guys know I don't use liquid eyeliner, but the packaging, oh my God. I have one of those gel liners, the packaging. Let me see if I have it. Let me go get it. So I got this, my God, maybe a couple years ago or over a year ago in BoxyCharm, I believe. And this is one of those liners in there, which I don't use it, but the packaging alone, it's probably so old you can't use it anyway. The packaging alone I kept because of that, and it's from the Feathers. And it kind of looks like ink, right? And then you would use this with the ink. I mean, it's so beautiful. Like I would keep this on a shelf just for the packaging. So let's see. When you take the cap off, it's just like a regular black eyeliner. I mean, I might try it, but like I said, I'll definitely keep it. Oh my God, I love this. I love like anything antique and old anyway, so this is really, really pretty. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the Pretty Vulgar mystery box. So we have the liquid liner. We have a highlighter, which is really, really pretty. Like I said, I'm not sure if everybody gets it and you might get a different shade, or do you all get the same shade? I'm not sure. Then we have this beautiful mascara. We have a plumping lip gloss. And we have this really nice primer. I definitely think it's worth $55. I'm sure there might be a code somewhere. I used a code, I don't remember offhand what it was, and I got it for $44. I don't think that code works anymore. So, but I think I would pay $55 for this. But if you can find a code, definitely use the code. I just love their packaging, and I really think it's worth the $55. But let me know what you guys think. Did you get this mystery box? Are you going to get it? Let me know. Do you think it's worth $55? And what do you think of the packaging? I know that was a lot of questions, but I really want to know what you guys think because I am nosy. So please rate this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy mystery boxes, if you enjoyed this mystery box, and if you want to consider seeing mystery boxes on this channel. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't think that it was worth it, you're not into it, and you don't really like mystery boxes on this channel. If you think I should just keep the subscription boxes, give me a thumbs down and read me to filth in the comments. Let me know. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, subscription boxes, reviews, hauls, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell on and make sure you have it on all. That way you'll get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything, guys. Please stay healthy, stay blessed, and please stay cool in this hot, hot weather we're having. All right, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, I love this packaging. Genius.